Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have found my new favorite cozy shirt, and I swear I have been living in this because it is just perfect. This is the long sleeve t-shirt tunic by KUOTAI, and it is just ideal for a cool fall or winter day if you're hanging out around the house, or if you're going out. This can be dressed up, it can be dressed down, and I just think that it is so incredibly cozy while also being so incredibly cute. So I have it here in a size medium, which is definitely true to size for me, and I love it because it is a little bit, I'd say, not exactly oversized, but it has enough room that you really feel nice and snuggly in it. I think that the sleeves are a perfect length for you to be nice and cozy. It even has pockets, which are perfect for me to put my hands in if my hands are a little chilly. But honestly, the size of this pocket is great even for a cell phone, or if you need to put chapstick in it, or a little wallet or something like that. The length is awesome. It hits me just at my hips, just below my bum, so it's perfect for wearing with leggings. I think it looks super, super cute like that, or you can wear it with jeans, or you can wear it around the house with a pair of sweats or yoga pants. It is totally up to you, but this looks adorable to wear out and is so cozy to wear at home. The fabric is so incredibly soft. You can kind of see it's got that like heather look to it. So it's t-shirt soft, but in an adorable tunic that you can feel confident wearing out, and you're gonna look super cute. So if you are looking for your new favorite cozy top, I highly recommend this one. I think you're gonna be in love with it like I am, but that's just my point of view.